Hi, in this video we will work through how to use key inferences within Power BI. Key inferences is an AI visualization in Power BI that enables users to analyze certain metric and the key drivers behind that metric. So first, let's take a look at the data we have today. Today, we have a data set coming from supply chain. Some of these products are on back order, and we have all the attributes that's associated with that. So first, let's head over to a blank report and drop in key inferences visual from the visualization pane. Then we can drop in the metric that we're interested in analyzing. In this case, it's product, particularly product on back order. This is a categorical metric, but you can also use aggregates and measures as a target metric if you're interested. Then let's drop in factors. As you can see, every time we drop in a new factor, the visual will dynamically re-render and the importance factors will re-rank as the scope of the factors change. Now, this visual is telling us product with a demand type volatile and high price is 2.32 times more likely to be on back order. What does that exactly mean? If we take a look at the visualization on the right, we can see that product in this particular category has 28.65% of products on back order, whereas all the other ones have 11.4% on back order. And the difference of the two is how we work out how important a factor is in terms of key inferences. You might say this is too many demand types to look at. I only want to look at ones that are influencing my metric. You can click that checkbox in order to do that. Key influencers also interact with other visualizations. Let's drop in a slicer. If we only want to look at products sold through multiple retailers, we can change this into a slicer and filter it out. You can see again, key influencers will re-render and give us the top influencers for products sold through multiple retailers. In this case, it's forecast accuracy below 50%. In addition to all the categorical factors that we used, we can also use continuous factors to explain a metric. So, moreover, it also works with aggregates and measures as explanatory factors. One thing to watch out for aggregates and measures is that they need to be defined at the same level as the metrics. So in this case, it's all defined at product level. Now, some people might say, this is only one factor. I want to look at combination of different factors. In that case, you can head over to the top segments. And this is a grouping of different factors and ranked based on the percentage of product on back order. The height of the bubble is the percentage of the product on back order, and the size of the bubble is the population size. So let's click into the first segment. The first segment has the demand type volatile low price and the manufactured goods less than 70%. In this particular segment, 26.5% of the product is on back order, whereas on average, in total, 11.7% of the product is on back order. So this combination of factors is 15% more likely to be on back order. And then you can also see the size of the data, how much data does this make up for the total data set. And that can give you an idea of how important this segment is. And you can click through different segments and see the data, how they differ, and and how they compare to the overall percentage as you go. Another interesting thing you can do is to put two inferences side by side. So in this case, we had the exact same metric and the factors on both visualizations, but they do look slightly different. This is because on the left, we had the California plant filtered out, and on the right, we had the Florida plant filtered out. So you can do like for like analysis for two plants and see the top influencers that's influencing the metrics that we're interested in for two different plants. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.